We experienced the best activity sa Hoi An and we stayed for 3 days and 2 nights nakilala sa City of Lanterns in Vietnam. The city of Hoi An known for its magical evening tour that includes boat ride and lantern release at Hoi An River. After pala namin mag-boat ride tour, ay nag-ikot-ikot muna kami around this area dahil meron din sila mga night market dito, gimikan, coffee shops at mga local restaurant. Kumain pala kami just beside the Hoan River to taste their local food at nagkape na din kami para matry din ang kanilang local coffee. So ayun na nga, syempre for hassle-free and convenience, we book our boat ride and release lantern tour via Klook. You can also use my promo code to get 5% off discount para naman makatipid ka sa pagbili ng voucher mo. O di ba, nakatipid ka na, mag-enjoy ka pa. So yun lang, enjoy traveling.